So manifestation candles, there are many other candles too. So you can use all the candles as per the requirement. The different colors. Black candle, black color gives you confidence. नजर को दूर रखने के लिए ब्लैक लोग जलाते हैं.
Okay.
Light करते हैं, sorry. The most important part is while you're lighting, you say, you put an intent. I'm lighting this to offer my prayers to God or whatever this is, to bring in more peace,
Okay.
to get rid of all negativity, whatever this is. Pink is for love, and this cozy environment.
Okay.
Let's bring in more and more pink. Yeah, depends.
I get it.
है ना? So while you're serving your client, I'll tell you like this also. See now, like two friends are sitting in.
Yeah.
So bring in pink.
Friends, mother-daughter.
Friends, yeah, mother-daughter. Even mother-daughter needs that lovey-dovey vibes, right? तो pink candle यहाँ पे light कर लो. कोई ऐसे कपल आया है तो पिंक कैंडल लाइट कर दो. कोई ऐसे लग रहा है कि यार ये थोड़ा ना जैसे प्रोफेशनल ज़्यादा आए हैं तो उनके सामने आप वाइट कैंडल लाइट कर लो. इट गिव्स यू पीस. ब्राउन ग्राउंडिंग. This is a mixture actually, but then there comes candles for the grounding. So normally when you see the energies are not really that great, somewhere you are getting distracted, disturbed, go ahead with some grounding candles where a brown is a grounding. It's a grounding. Wood is a grounding material as such. So brown candles जला लो. जहाँ पे ऐसा लग रहा है पैशन चाहिए, स्पेशली लवर्स, न्यू कपल आए हैं तो रेड जला लो.
अच्छा.
है ना?
Okay.
कलर्स मेक्स लॉट्स ऑफ म्यूजिक. कोई पैसे की बातें कर रहा है, ग्रीन जला लो.
Interesting for me.
अरे we have so many easy sources that we let go of them that conveniently.
Yeah,
actually.
I do have candles, but again, it's like typical scented candles,
That's
which
okay.
typically
That's
just
okay.
have
Intentions
feel
matter.
good. Yeah, but I think next time when I'm gonna light it, I'm gonna remember about the intentions with what I'm lighting it.
Intentions matters a lot. Just place some crystals, or when you see some people, simply put them. It will give you a different energy vibe for that. Like we see a couple plus the work going on. So go ahead and put up a pink candle that will intensify the passion between them. It helps. It helps in both the ways. And
Sweet. Okay.
like that.
This is something nice.
Right? Let's go ahead and read your energies. Okay. And see what this timeline is bringing in. Oh, so the cards were like, wow. How? Ace of Action, that is Ace of Wands, Eight of Wands. Fair decision. Wow. Review and Contemplation, Healer of Abundance. इतने सारे cards आ गए आपके तरफ. Let's go ahead and deep dive in each one of them. Look at the colors again, the vibrant. You might be more of connecting to lavender color. You might be loving to wear. I could see the bluish and the not the lavender, but that would be. मतलब you are getting more attracted towards this color. It feels.
Okay.
And
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा है. To be very honest, I have. But yeah, I have a blue bag right now.
Yeah. The bluish, the lavender, or you can call it. इसका मुझे ना color एकदम ये नहीं आ रहा है. I'm not getting the right word for this.
Lilac.
But then
the color is lilac kind of. Yeah.
The lilac color. You might be getting more attracted towards lilac. So when you're getting more attracted towards lilac, that means your crown chakra, your third eye chakra is getting more and more activated. So ये activations हो रहे हैं. Intuitions are coming in. You are able to read the energies, like you said about the other gentleman. I would say that phrase. है ना?
Okay.
So, Eight of Actions, you have been really working hard, putting in every single effort into all kind of things that you're doing right now. Like, as you also said earlier, that I would want to do it myself if my staff is busy.
Yeah.
I don't mind putting my efforts into it, and every little thing, every little benefit that is coming your way, it is like I'm grateful. I'm thankful.
Yeah. That I have. I usually operate with a lot of gratitude.
Gratitude, yes. So you have that lots and lots of gratitude towards not only with the situation, with people around you, with energies around you, and that's one positivity you're spreading in your cafe. So when someone comes in, they take up this energy from you
Mm-hmm.
in the right way,
Yeah. Okay.
and they see you action oriented person. You're not someone who will sit back talking about your numbers as well. You're not someone
No, I would not.
who can sit at home and we feel like यार ठीक है आज
I
नहीं
am
करती हूँ.
not this
वो आज
person.
नहीं करते हो ना, उस दिन तो सबसे ज्यादा काम करते हो तुम.
हाँ, like generally यही हो जाता है कि even if I'm not well, I'm waiting when I'm gonna recover and I'm gonna hit the ground again, because
Until it is extreme, you're not someone who would be like मूड
absolutely
नहीं है इसके लिए नहीं करना है. You know,
नहीं हो सकता.
भले मूडी है, but then
But ऐसे नहीं होगा, because my work is something that helps me,
Heal.
drives me, it heals me.
yeah,
So ये हो ही नहीं सकता कि I'm gonna run away from it. No
never,
ways.
never, never. And that was one of the fair decisions you have taken. Your angels are aware that you have concerns. You are surrounded. You speak with your grandfather soul. That's what you just said earlier, right? If I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
grandfather, right? Yeah. So you believe in spirit team and you
Yeah.
give away. That's what you were talking about. I go out and speak to
Yeah,
the
yeah.
sky, right? So that's what this card is trying
How
to say.
beautiful is that?
That people, the universe, the spirit team, your angels are quite aware about what you are concerned because you speak out louder to them. Now,
Yeah.
one thing universe or the spirit team is trying to say, though you speak out, we know what you exactly want, but you keep on telling us as well. It's okay to have a chill with us. It's okay to be, venting it out on us as well. Don't just be always humble. And if you feel like, क्यों कर रहे हो?
I do that. I do that क्यों काफी बार ये भी होता है.
हाँ.
When I go out there and I say whatever it is, it's not good. Anymore हो जाता है.
I do it every day with Shiva. Like, what the hell are you doing in my life? No, that's common. It's okay, understandable. Universe is asking you to forgive. Number 8 card, and today we are recording this on an 8th day, I would say. Total come down to number 8. So
Yeah.
number 8 is trying to say many a times people mirror us. Okay. So if I'm triggered by someone, like, how could he or she behave with me like that? So that trigger is trying to say that this is one part that is supposed to be healed inside me, that I'm
Okay.
supposed to work onto it. So it is not about external world, it is not about people around you, it is about the
My own
energy,
thing.
the energy, the inside you, the pain that you're supposed to heal from. So whenever you're triggered, sit back and ask yourself why on this earth. क्यों मुझे गुस्सा आया? चलो गुस्सा आया, इसने ऐसे किया, ये हमेशा अनक्लीन सा रहता है, ये डिसिप्लिन नहीं है लाइफ में. तो ऐसे लाइफ में कौन सी सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे मैं डिसिप्लिन नहीं हूँ और मुझे गिल्टी फील हो रहा है कि मैं ये क्यों नहीं कर पा रही हूँ? द मोमेंट यू एक्नॉलेज इट, वहाँ पे वो चीज़ हील हो जाती है.
Interesting. I will do this.
Right?
This has been a great insight. This is really okay. I'm gonna be more mindful. I'm gonna be more observant now.
Yes,
With
because
this.
triggers are nothing else but suppressed emotions. हमारे अंदर बहुत सारे emotions होते हैं जो बाहर टाइम से नहीं निकलते हैं ना. इट कुड नॉट ऑलवेज बी पीपल अराउंड अस, लाइक पेरेंट्स ने ऐसे सिखाया नहीं है या इन्होंने सिखाया नहीं है, सबने कहा कि ऐसे बिहेव करना, ऐसे रखना, ऐसे बैठना, ये करना. इट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट दैट. इट इज़ मोस्टली कि आप बुरा ना लग जाए सामने वाले को, ये ना हो जाए, इसके लिए भी हम चुप हो जाते हैं. बट वो मोमेंट की चुप्पी इतनी
कहीं और-
दबसी
yeah,
जाती
कहीं
है,
और-
इट गेट्स आउटबर्स्ट एंड दैट इज ओनली ट्रिगर, राइट? वही तो आपका जो अंदर एक बलून सा बन गया है, उसको किसी ने पिन मार दी, ब्लास्ट तो होगा.
और हो सकता है वो शायद कोई और एंगल पे निकल जाए सबका हाल.
एग्जैक्टली.
Okay, this is really interesting. I think I will look into this.
Yeah.
This is food for thought.
I guess you were thinking about someone while I was talking about it.
Yes, yes.
You need to forgive the person.
Okay,
One of the message for you, you need to forgive the person.
okay.
You know, because forgive in the sense, again, as I said, no, people are mirror. We are just, they are just reflecting the energies that are inside us, either suppressed or we have never addressed them in the right way. We over understand sometimes, हैव यू ऑब्जर्व
Yes.
योरसेल्फ? यार
Yes.
ठीक है, इसके साथ ये हो रहा होगा, उसके
It,
साथ
हाँ,
वो हो रहा
ओवर
होगा,
अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो
है ना?
अलग लेवल पे. Yes.
हाँ, तो वो मोमेंट पे हम अंडरस्टैंड तो कर लेते हैं, बट जब रात को सोते हैं तब लगता है यार फिर मैंने क्या गलत किया, मेरे
मैं
साथ
अपने आप, यानी जो फेयर मी है, मैंने उसको सप्रेस करा है.
उसको सप्रेस करा है, मैंने अपनी अंतरात्मा को जो हम बोलते हैं ना,
Sometimes
उसको मैंने
yeah,
सप्रेस कर
sometimes
दिया।
it's just to, I may not say please, but
No, this
probably just
maturity,
handle the situation in a matured way. Yeah,
yeah, but
you
then
tend to
what
let go things. I'm like, it's okay, wala cheez.
so where this is coming in from, so many of the listeners would be going also with this, or that's problem for everyone, with me also it has happened always. So when I हम कभी भी अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं ना लोगों को, तो वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग के पीछे बैक ऑफ द माइंड क्या रहता है, इसके सामने मैं बचपना नहीं दिखा सकती हूँ यार, ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस गाय, शी इज़ अ वेरी नाइस गर्ल, मच्योरिटी वर्क्स हियर, बट अंदर ही अंदर में जब आप दब रहे हो,
Yeah,
वो चीज़
I
उनके
could say
ऊपर
the
ही बर्स्ट हो
child in
जाएगी।
me or the girl in me, जो भी है, the version
वी
is
हैव
somewhere
थ्री
being
वर्जन्स,
being, हाँ, जिसको शांत कराया है, चुप कराया है, जो भी,
बट देन
those.
आपने आपने अंदर ही अंदर में आपकी छोटी सी बच्ची को, वी हैव थ्री वर्जन्स, ओके, वन इज आवर द सोल, द लिटिल चाइल्ड इन इनसाइड अस, योर ब्रेन दैट कीप्स टॉकिंग, एंड देन वी हैव आवर हायर सेल्फ. So when you speak with spirits, you're speaking with your higher self. Your higher self is connecting to them. तो जब आप छोटी सी बच्ची को चुप करा रहे होते हैं ना, तो वो हम कैसे उसको, बच्चों को आजकल वो चॉकलेट दे दिया,
It's
खिलौना
okay
दे
ना,
दिया, अभी तो
हाँ,
चुप हो जा, अभी कोई नहीं,
लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं
कहीं ना कहीं तो वो चीज़ निकलेगी ना, तुम कितना रुलाओगे अपने अंतरात्मा को. वाई? बिकॉज आई नीड टू बी मच्योर, आई एम मोर
या
अंडरस्टैंडिंग. वाई? बिकॉज सामने वाला कभी ना कभी हमें ऐसा बोल देता है, यार तू तो ऐसी नहीं थी, तूने तो इतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिखा दी, अब कहाँ गई तेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. तो वो चीज़ बाद में इस वे में निकलती है.
आई
तो
गेट.
बीइंग ऑथेंटिक सेल्फ इज वन ऑफ द मैसेज यू आर सपोज टू लिसन टू दैट. जिसके ऊपर भी गुस्सा आ रहा है, निकाल दो, निकाल दो, एंड देन फॉरगिव.
Got it.
अंडरस्टैंडिंग वन फैक्ट, अंडरस्टैंडिंग उनके तरफ, उनके सिचुएशन की तरफ, फाइन, और मुंह पे बोलो. First time I came to this cafe of yours, and I was sitting in this table with a friend, and I confessed everything, like this is making me feel jealous, boss. मैं तो jealous feel कर रही हूँ, मुझे तो insecurities हो रही है, तेरे को कैसे behave करना है तो देख ले, तेरे को मुझे कितना immature समझना है तो समझ ले. I had been the most authentic self on that particular day, and that brings me to this point for you as well, or for the people who are going to listen to this as well. The more authentic you are, the better the understanding would be, and the better the relationship will go, and the longer it would
Yeah, I think
makes
talking
sense.
so, yeah. Whatever you're talking, it's so much. I can relate. It is somewhere I can resonate with it.
Happening with you right now.
Yeah.
The energies are talking about it. मैं बहुत कर रही हूँ, मैंने इतना किया है, but people don't understand. People don't understand because आप उनके हिसाब से आप बहुत मच्योर हो, आप बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट हो, और अपने काम सब आप खुद कर लेते हो. तो आज तक कभी आपने उनको एक्सप्रेस किया ही नहीं. आपका एक वीकर वर्जन भी होता है ना, एक नाजुक सा पल होता है जहाँ पे आप ओपन अप होना चाहते हो, बट बिकॉज एक इमेज
हाँ.
क्रिएट किया हुआ है, अरे नहीं यार ये खुद से कर सकती है. और हमारे माइंडसेट, बचपन से
Yeah,
एक
yeah,
माइंडसेट
yeah.
होता है ना कि नहीं, यू आर इंडिपेंडेंट इनफ, यू कैन डू इट ऑन योर ओन. सो दैट माइंडसेट लाइक, नो बेबी, यू कैन डू इट, यू पुश योरसेल्फ सो
जस्ट नॉट
हार्ड.
अबाउट किसी और का, क्या कहते हैं, किसी और ने बनाई हुई इमेज, वो कभी
वी
कभी
हैव
खुद की
क्रिएट
ही,
आवर ओन.
हाँ,
हाँ,
है कि आई एम एन स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिपेंडेंट. वो यानी
यस,
इतना हो जाता है कि जहाँ पे यू वांट टू फील वल्नरेबल एंड you know childlike, or you want to do
यस,
something,
यू
you
डोंट,
feel like, nahi, how will it be
पीपल
seen,
टेक
or
इट,
how,
जज इट.
yeah, even if you want to do that, you sometimes just pull yourself back,
Right. So because of that mindset, what
whether it
happens?
being having fun or saying something, behaving anywhere else, handling a situation. I am connecting with it so much right now.
So you are going
Okay.
through this process now. Like I've
Yeah.
done enough, but people don't understand. And the only thing that this is triggering or this is coming out is because you never actually expressed the doubt. You never said that I need help. And you're not. We are not here to be living alone. हम souls, हमारी एक soul tribe होती है. जब हम ऊपर जाते हैं, जब हमारी souls are, they never die, right?
Yeah.
So
No.
souls जब ऊपर We have come, if we have taken birth on this earth, we have come to live in a society, not live alone.
I
And
agree.
when to live in a society, the more mask you wear, the
Yeah.
more difficult it would be. I'm not saying in a negative way. Mask
No.
also people pleasing. I need to be decent. I need to be नहीं सिर्फ इसके साथ ही होना है ऐसे ही होना जितनी restrictions हम अपने ऊपर डालते हैं जितने
Get
mask
it.
हम पहनते हैं ना that becomes very very difficult for you to unwind eventually.
Hmm.
I know it's
I am
getting
only really looking. I am actually looking back. Nothing more. Okay.
so
Okay. काफी सारी. Okay.
so express.
Hmm.
Learn to be more authentic, learn to be speaking your truth, and don't feel bad of sometimes looking weaker. It's okay. It's okay to vent it out. It's okay to cry. It's okay to be felt like I need a hug. I just need to be held. I need to have a partner or I need to have a friend who can just simply sit and talk. I don't want judgments. Perfectly fine to feel that way and start practicing this in your life. Because whatever you're going through, I know the pressure is high, intense, and you're really putting up efforts, but at one point it will tire you out.
I know. Yeah. Mentally, it
Exhaustion
will bog me
happens.
down.
है
I
ना?
completely get
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
So that is one of the things. I'll pull last card for you, and let's see how it goes. You want to take a card? You just divide it. It's okay. Use your left hand. Just divide it. Just keep it, and take one card from any of that from your left hand. It's okay. That wants to come out actually. It's okay. You pull your card. You take your card.
Let's take the first one.
Yeah. This also wants to come out. Let's see what this wants to come out. A win-win solution.
Okay. This is the one that
Positive
I picked. This
recognition.
is the one that I picked.
Yeah, a
Okay.
win-win solution. Four of abundance. Oh,
Okay.
four of abundance. Money coming your way, honey. And your efforts, whatever efforts you're putting in,
Hmm.
everything is being recognized. You are appreciated. You are. It's all good.
I'm just happy.
You have a look at the cards and see the meaning of it. Whatever you want to take, you take. There's a strength in diversity. So this one message or one thing that is coming to my mind with this statement is if you have been in a double mind of thinking like should I be changing my routine,
Hmm.
like I changed my schedule, I changed the way I look. There's some kind of change while a confusion going on inside you. It could be anything.
Hmm.
Take that.
Okay.
Take that. Leap of faith.
Okay.
I don't know. Resonates?
Immediately, nothing resonates right away. But
But
let
that
me.
change, that one major change that we're looking out for, that would be a complete blend and it's going to bring in more of success and success and success. Whatever that is taken.
Okay.
Risk taker, you're always a risk taker.
Yeah, I've always been a risk taker. That I think has been with me.
Perfect. I guess that was it.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
I really appreciate it. I appreciate you spending time with me over here, actually blessing this beautiful place, making it more vibrant.
It is actually vibrant. And vibration comes with the energies you put in, and you're already putting in good energies, like all positive vibes.
Thank you.
Do visit her cafe. That's in Ulti. I am going to pin down the exact location. If you are planning to come down to this location, that's near Mumbai. People who are from outside Mumbai, they would know. But ठीक है, but pin up the location. And ठीक है, see you on our slide.
See you.